Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how to brush your teeth more effectively and efficiently. Brushing our teeth is an important part of our dental care routine. For a healthy mouth and smile, brush your teeth for at least 2 minutes twice a day with soft bristle brush. The size and shape of your brush should fit your mouth, allowing you to reach all areas easily. Replace your toothbrush every 3 or 4 months or sooner if the bristles are frayed. The most accepted and effective method for the removal of dental plaque present adjacent to and underneath the gingival margin is modified bars technique. This technique combines the vibratory and circular movements of the bars technique with the sweeping motion of the roll technique. Now, what is modified bars technique? This includes placing the head of a soft brush horizontally parallel with the occlusal plane with the brush head covering 3 teeth. Place the bristles at the gingival margin, establishing an angle of 45 degrees so that the bristles are pointing under the gum line. Exert gentle vibratory pressure using short back and forth motions without dislodging the tips of the bristles. This forces the bristles into the gum line and in between the teeth. Do this for about 20 strokes. This assures that adequate time will be spent cleaning away as much plaque as possible from the teeth surface and from under the gum line. Please note that this is a very gentle motion. In healthy gums, this should cause no pain. Brushing too vigorously or with large strokes can damage the gum tissue. Now, roll or flick the brush in a sweeping motion so that the bristles move out from under the gum towards the chewing surface of the teeth. This helps move the plaque out from under the gum line. Lift the brush and repeat the process for the next 3 teeth. Continue around the upper jaw, both inner and outer surfaces, 3 teeth at a time, so that all the teeth surfaces and gum line are cleaned. Continue in the lower jaw for both inner and outer surfaces and brush in the same manner until the entire dentition is completed, such that the sweeping motion is upwards towards the chewing surface of the teeth. Now, to help reach the inner surfaces of the front teeth, insert the brush vertically. Press the heel of the brush into the gum line. Again use gentle back and forth brushing action and finish with a roll or flick of the brush towards the biting edge. To clean the chewing or biting surfaces of the teeth, hold the brush so the bristles are straight down or flat surfaces of molars. Move the brush back and forth to clean the entire surface. Move to the next 3 teeth and brush until all the teeth are cleaned. To reach the last tooth of the jaw, open the mouth wide and vibrate the tip of the brush against the surface 20 times for each tooth. Rinse with water to clear the mouth of food residue and remove plaque. Now, what are the advantages of this technique? This technique helps us in excellent plaque removal under the gum line, that is sulcus cleaning. This technique provides excellent plaque removal in between the teeth. There is a good gum stimulation in this technique. The short back and forth motion is easy to master because it requires the same simple movement familiar to the most patients. Hence, keeping a regular toothbrushing routine and using proper toothbrushing technique is one of the most important things you can do to keep your teeth free of bacteria and to reduce the likelihood of tooth decay. Thank you for watching.